Hey there, this is Ned with lifeshop.ca. Thanks so much for watching this video. It's only going to be about 2 or 3 minutes, but I wanted to explain to you a couple of things about non-medical or simplified issue or guaranteed issue insurance. Because a lot of people ask me about it. Those are usually people that are very busy and they don't really want to fiddle around with medicals and having a nurse come over and ask questions and take blood and urine samples and that kind of stuff. And you know, I don't blame you. I don't blame you for not wanting to do that. Now, I should say that if you're in good health, you will probably get a better price if you do take a medical. So it's something that you should probably explore, and we should talk about it. But there is some pretty good options even for healthy people right now that wouldn't require a medical. So for a healthy person, you can buy up to $500,000 of term insurance with Manulife. It's called a quick issue term with very limited amount of questions that we can do over the phone. So I ask you 10 questions over the phone and you instantly qualify for a policy. So it's really quick and easy, and the price is very competitive there. Now, if you do have some health problems, say you are diabetic or you have a history of heart problems or cancer, that kind of stuff, then you may find it a little bit harder to get a policy the traditional way, and you could be declined when you apply for medical. So non-medical plans can be very helpful there, but you also have to be very careful, because if you choose the wrong plan, it could also be a problem, because some plans have a 2-year waiting period before the policy actually pays out, and some policies don't have a waiting period. So obviously, if you can qualify for a policy that doesn't have a waiting period, then that's the one you should entertain. And if you can't qualify for that one, then hey, we can do the one with a 2-year waiting period, but at least I'd like to explore all the options first. So what I would recommend to you, if you're watching this and you're in the market for life insurance and you'd like to find a way to get this at the best price and the easiest way with the least amount of hoops to jump through, then you need to call me or email me and talk to me. So I can by asking you a couple of questions, I'll be able to point you in the right direction and show you which policy would be best suited for you, price-wise, give you the most benefit, and be the least amount of work for you to get it, and the least amount of chances that you could be denied or rated as a higher risk. So I hope that this explained a little bit about it, but I know it's a little bit complicated, so please do call me, and I promise you will get all the answers you need over the phone. Thanks for listening, and talk soon.